can't describe for you the smell here. It smells of, I don't know, pee-pee. It's really, really bad. He's using it as storage for his own thing. It's an absolute mess. There's problems with damp. It's completely overgrown. The place has not been aired for I don't know how long. You can see here, probably there's water inside the cupboard. Oof, there's old food. It's a mess. Something happened here behind the sink. Maybe that's where the smell's coming from. Going upstairs now. Definitely we need to check the roof in case there's an issue here. Oh, the smell's gotten worse. I think someone's using this house. Not possible that... I think somebody's staying in here. It's not too bad. Oh, I like the lights up there. Stinks in here as well. This is very serious crack right there. We need to have that. Everything needs to be checked. Cockroaches. Yeah. Okay, a lot of work to do up there as well. Another big crack. Everything needs to be checked.